So sometimes we're lucky, and the problem is one ligament, and that's why you have pain. That ligament is going to create some pain and lack of stability, and so you have pain in that SIS, not in the middle, on the side a little bit, right? So you may have, it maybe 90% of the time, 85% of the time, a pathology on the other side. And that's specific of this area. Not every area is like this. Maybe for the mobility of the hip, one is stuck, one would be more active, for example, will give us a start of an explanation. But I'm going to start here with my iliolumbar, again, anterior, posterior, different level for the sacroiliac. And here we have a ligament here, right there in the sacroiliac, iliolumbar, L4, L5, L5, L4. Then we're going to have different ligament, sacro, how do you call that, the one from the sacrum? Sacrotuberous and sacro.
Sacrospinous.
Yes, so the tuberosity of the ischial tuberosity is called sacrotuberous ligament. That's pre-extends. You have a little bit here. You may have a little bit to do two ligaments. And I'm going to do other ligaments. And you have for sure S1, L5, L5, L4, and you have intertransversal ligaments that you have to look on the side. So we have one here. So let's see. And it's crazy because where's your pain exactly? Could you pinpoint it?
Now it's right here.
So it's pretty high. I'm a different place.
Right in,
Oh, it's almost symmetrical.
right.
I'm here. Right here. So we're going to work with different embryological tissue, right? And see which one is going to. And here it's a neural crest. You know the neural crest is the fourth type of tissue in the body and create a lot of structure in the face. Open your eyes a little bit, and you have a little bit of reflect there. And a bit of mesoderm right here. Open your eyes again. Perfect. And that would be enough. So this ligament is stable. Let me see if the sacrospinous on the left release is pretty good. Perfect. So let's stand up a little bit. So you see, I mean, it's not that much. You have to just know a little bit specifically the area. I went completely on the other side, and it was pretty symmetrical. That enough for you, Sacroiliac? Move a little bit.
It's less. The
Move
pain's
back
less.
a little bit. Walk a little bit. Okay. So now.
Yeah, it's calming down. It's calming down. Like it's maybe a 5, and now it's like a 2 or a 1. Yeah, it's
Take a little bit. And now, yes?
But I feel taller.
You feel taller. Or when it's funny because the ligament was like this, by the way. But it's established to stick up. And the pain is?
Dissipating. It's just.
So let's try if you have one more, because you have two, so maybe that's what I said, to really get rid of it. Let's see if you sacrospinous. This is perfect. Okay, so we still have this one. So we're going to go this time, same bit of neural crest on the other side. Open your eyes a little bit. And mesoderm. You have a nice release when that open your eyes again. Perfect. So next try that. It didn't hurt me. It took a very small time. And see that's opening.
There's just a residual. I wouldn't call it pain, just an ache.
Yeah, so it's going to realize you wait a few more minutes. That's it. NER-L for the back pain. It's fun. It's not so hard. It's very anatomical. We're going to go over all these ligaments one by one, from the neck, the body, the arms, the legs, back, and you have some in the TMJ, some in the eyes also, some, and then you can also call visceral ligaments, but we're not going to cover them in this class, so we'll do that very soon. Okay?
It's gone.
And you'll do it.
No more pain.